Welcome to this product video. Today, we'd like to show you Asset Service Management for Microsoft Dynamics AX. Asset Service Management enables companies to prioritize maintenance for equipment parts and maintain statistics that ensure objects are being managed appropriately, smoothly manage complex contracts and warranties, increase customer satisfaction, and reduce downtime by using predefined workflows. In today's demonstration, we will show you maintenance inside Dynamics AX by using the Asset Service Management solution. Okay, so let's go into AX again, and we'll look at Preventative Maintenance. So here is my detection device. Based on the counters, we can actually create maintenance schedules. So in this case, hours counters are entered, the different values. Based on that, we calculate the maintenance schedules. Now go to a little bit more detail. We can see on this device that, of course, there's a customer set up with an address. If I scroll down a little bit, you can also see that the preventative maintenance sequence has been set up and monthly calibration scheduled. So let's have a look at that. And there's actually two things happening. Monthly calibration is scheduled based on time, and the interval is 1 month. So every 1 month, we will have preventative maintenance entry in our calendar. There's also another one based on a counter. So every time a machine has been running for 500 hours, we will do a cleaning job. And of course, the system will try to predict when the next maintenance schedule is due based on the counter. So this explains when I am going to do the maintenance. If I want to know what I have to do, then I have to go into that job type. The job type is basically the activity that we are going to perform. So we can see it's a calibration job. You can also see that for this calibration, I need a skilled worker. So I need an electrical guy with a level 4 skill, and I can also enter certificates. So during the planning phase, the system will take into account the skills and certificates. Now let's have a look at the job type setup. What we can see here is that I probably need 8 hours to do this job. And I see there's 9 checks, 1 measurement. I don't need any tools, no items, no expenses, no fees. So that's all not necessary to this job. Now let's have a look at this checklist. This is very important because this is the list of things that I have to do. So it's a predefined list, and I have to do all these steps. And there's also one that says read out the status logs. So there's also a measure point as we go on. So I have to measure if values in the device are between certain values. And if not, I can then fix that using, for example, the calibration tool. So this will all be copied into the work order once I create that work order. It's very important to set up the system in the right way. Okay, so another thing that we have are the maintenance requests. So let's go a little bit into more detail there. I can see for this object that there is 2 maintenance requests. We have already seen that. So it's not detecting all types of explosives, it says. So what I can do then is I can go into more detail and say, okay, let's assume that the customer can send in this object so we can repair it. You can see that I can send out a loan object. And once I have done the repair, I can return the object loan. And we have inbound and outbound procedures for that as well. From a maintenance request, I can then create a work order. But of course, I can also combine preventative maintenance with maintenance request. So how do you do that? If you look at the object calendar, so go back to the object again and select the object calendar, then you can see there's a list of requests and also maintenance sequences. So what I can then do, I say combine request and maintenance into one work order. Let's select just one line. I can create a work order. And here we can see that you can combine different maintenance sequences per object type, per object, per customer, etc. At this moment, we are only going to create one work order for one object. So let's see what happens. So, as you can see, one work order has been created. This ends today's product demonstration. For more information, please visit www.columbusglobal.com. Thank you for watching.